The Gyfent 22-piece Airless Paint Sprayer Kit provides a comprehensive solution for all your painting needs, featuring an airless spray gun, a 50-foot high-pressure hose, 6 reversible spray tips, and more. This kit is compatible with most airless paint sprayers and includes a range of nozzles and extension rods that can accommodate various spraying tasks, ensuring versatility and convenience. Installation is simplified with easy-to-follow steps, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users to set up and start spraying quickly. Constructed from durable materials such as aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and tungsten steel, the components of this kit are designed for longevity and comfortable use. The sprayer's accessories are versatile, making them ideal for a wide range of applications, including indoor and outdoor projects like doors, walls, fences, and decks. The reversible design of the spray tips allows for easy cleaning and blockage removal, enhancing the overall efficiency of the sprayer during use.